I'm gonna split the hair on two pieces, the upper one and the bottom one. So the upper one for now, I'm gonna just clip it up and work a little bit more on the bottom part. Okay, now we can twist it to hold it tight. And at this point, I already would put two big velvet pins to keep the all updo on the place. It will be a base for the style. Crisscross like this and like that. So this is the base for the whole updo. What are we doing? Okay. Now I'm doing this, just like a bun, easy, fluffy, big, like that. So this is the bottom part, and I made a little bun over here. So now I'm fixing it with a little more pins. I would use just one at this point because we don't need much here. You see it's already holding pretty well. Now I'm taking the upper part, again smoothing out everything to the back. I split the hair on two on top, on two pieces, and now I'm crisscross the two parts. And then because I cannot work on two parts at the same time, so I'm kind of keeping it away one part and I'm twisting the other side, and I'm putting around the first bun. I'm keeping it with another pin and maybe one more pin like that. So everything nice and tight now. Okay, other side, we're twisting to another direction. We can add a little more pieces here. And we're keeping this piece with more pins. Okay, and now I'm just basically putting everything together. So this part, you see, it's a little bit too big, and I want it a little bit more flat. So what I'm doing, like this. You see, it's already like a little more flat and more secure with this part. And the same thing on the other side. And if you see more hair like falling and you know you want it more tight, just put a little more pins, that's it. And because this pins velvet and you see it's like it's velvet and it's invisible, it's just lost in a hair, and it's so tight, so you see nothing is moving, everything very secure, beautiful, nice, easy updo.